It's often about the teamwork and it's all about the people, and that I love about what you guys do. But on top of that, there's some really good charitable aims that you guys have and the people that you work with and support in terms of business. What you do is amazing.
The security firm needs to know where the bottlenecks are, where people are likely going to hide. So I think it's that really comprehensive understanding of the festival.
The VIP lounge is very nice, yeah, lovely drinks and food and nice company and a nice space to get away from everything, you know, just to take a moment, take a breath. It's one word.
Impressive.
Professional.
Friends.
As a key sponsor, why was it important for K4 to be here today?
For us, it's all about getting our brand out there. Everybody knows who K4 is, but to actually everybody understand what K4 does. We're not just an event business, we offer a number of different services across a number of different sectors.
It started from nothing and has now become one of the leading security companies in Britain, supporting major events here in the UK and across the world.
How are you finding K4's VIP lounge?
It's really, really cool. A lot of the times when you go to a lot of these events, it's hard to kind of find a place that actually does good coffee, decent tea, and actually even ice cream, because I love my ice cream.
I was really pleased to see K4 represented in this manner.
And what brought you to the K4 stand today?
These guys are right in the centre of everything. And then I go and see them all around the festival and circuit the whole year round. So it's just a really nice time to connect with everyone and say hello before you get going each season.
We have met some friends of ours that we have had good working relationships, and more importantly, we met some friends that we hope to continue our relationship with going into more of a summer season 2026.
One word to describe K4, hospitable. Here we go.
Reliability.
Trusted, say vigilant.
Community. So I think there's a few words I think of, like quality.
Protection.
And reliability.
Very proactive.
Trustworthy.